Hello, future Bears. I'm Mr. Karmazine, the proud principal of Bryan Middle School. When I think of Bryan Middle School, two words come to mind: community and pride. When you walk through the doors, down the hallways, and into our classrooms at Bryan Middle School, you can feel both. 90% of Bryan Middle School's over 800 7th and 8th grade students are from the home attendance area, which gives Bryan Middle School its community vibe. Parents, teachers, and students are committed to the same common mission to prepare students for high school and life beyond. Teachers go above and beyond to reach all bears, utilizing engaging real world activities in all classrooms. In addition, all learners get the individual help they need to succeed by taking advantage of additional after school tutoring and homework help in the Bear Den. Through our Cubs program, Bryan Middle School helps learners develop their bear pride, peers respecting individuality, diversity, and excellence, making them well rounded and able to tackle anything life throws at them. Finally, connected to Bryan Middle School is the Boys and Girls Club, which offers enrichment activities in a structured environment for students after school hours. We would be proud to have you be a part of our Bear community. Check out all that Bryan Middle School has to offer by looking at our website, checking us out on Twitter, and attending our virtual open house.